Hello everyone. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some progress that I've been doing for this Gatsby theme Instagram. As you may know from, I don't know if you know, but from other videos, this Gatsby theme Instagram theme is something that I'm building for a client. So I just thought, okay, maybe this is a good example to also share. So there's some times that I cannot record myself building things because I'm actually building those things for the client. And today was one of those days. So let me just show here the result. Gatsby theme Instagram Netlify, of course, because I have that deployed. And you can see that now we are rendering some post, and it's just that. So I'm just gonna show you this component, and later I will maybe tomorrow or some other day I will start creating more components for this Instagram. So let's just go into the code. So if I go here, I can show you before. I don't know if you remember, but if you don't, there's another video like the previous part that I show how I did like the basic setup for this theme. But now there's a bunch of other things added. So here's the theme. Before we just had this plugin, of course, the source Instagram, and I'm expecting a username from the options, but if not, I'm just defaulting to Gatsby. I guess this is something that I will not do, and just and maybe add a warning or use the Node APIs to check if there's a username or if there's some config that the user is adding. So I might ask. I don't know if you have any advice or recommendations. Please let me know. And you know what? I'm gonna do this because it's gonna be consistent. And also here, I don't know why I'm tend now to use backticks for all my strings. And also here, let's just do all of them. Why not? This is not the reason why you're seeing this, but yeah, and this is how it is. So here, if you can see, I added Gatsby transformer sharp, Gatsby plugin sharp, and also I think it has Gatsby theme UI before, but I added also here. And then the component, I added two components. So here's the grid component. It's just a simple wrapper that is like the component that knows how to fetch data. So I'm using this as to get the data from Instagram, and the only thing that I'm doing here is just rendering. Let me just do format. Okay, it's gonna be more readable. So here I'm checking if there's some edges. If there's some edges, I'm rendering this div with this SX prop. If you don't know what this is, check out Gatsby plugin theme UI. I will put the link in the description also, so you check what's going on here. And I might do like a series of videos explaining how to use theme UI because it's pretty and I also was teaching this to my client because he's not only getting the website, but he's also building the website with me. So he's a rare client, to be honest. And I tried to explain a little bit how theme UI works, and there's a lot of things to cover and a lot of things to understand. Also, this pragma thing here, it's a lot. So I might do like a series of videos explaining theme UI. Maybe that would be a good idea. Let me know in the comments if you want those things, because I can do that. So here I'm just mapping through the nodes and rendering this card component. And if we go to the card component, is again doing this magic pragma thing here with the SX prop, and I'm getting and I'm adding some styling to this image that is a Gatsby image from Gatsby itself. This is something that I really want to. I need to double check how it's done, because this is super cool. There's like a network image that now, because of the source Instagram plugin, it's been treated as a local image. So this is super cool. I can do things with a transform. Let me just go to Gatsby config here with the transformer sharp, with the sharp utility, and do a bunch of things with bunch of things about performance with the Gatsby image. That I don't know how's that set up. I might just go through like this source Instagram and see what they do, but it should be pretty simple. But yeah, right now I don't know how it's done. So with that, I'm just rendering this card, and like all the iterating over this Instagram nodes, and that's how we got this new component. I think it's I don't know if it's running. Let me run it. Yarn workspace demo develop. So this will fetch data from Instagram, create the pages, and enable this grid component over there. Also, yeah, I can show you that too. So in my theme index file, this is how this is my external API for my theme. So here I'm exposing everything that I let users to use on their Gatsby websites. So in this case, there's only like the theme. I can show you, well, this is the plain theme that theme UI give us, and the grid component, that's the one that I showed you before. And here you see that I'm now exposing the card component, that I can do that also too. Why not? And yeah, let me just do that. Card from card. Okay, so now there's a new version for this Instagram post. I'm gonna post it right now. So yeah, from here, this is how then in the demo side, if we go to the pages, here in the demo side, I'm using MDX to create my pages. So that's how I can just import a React component. You see that I'm importing grid is a named export from my theme, and then I'm just rendering the grid here. So yeah, that's how you will use this component. One thing though that I would love to know how to do, and I will explore, I will research and try to make it work, is to let this component to be a little more customizable. Right now there's no way to customize this component. There's no props that I'm expecting. So if you go here, I'm not using any props from outside, but I need to double check how to let the user maybe update this or change this this query, and also maybe change the amount of nodes to fetch, maybe also fetch for a specific specific posts from Instagram. There's some things that I really want to make sure I can do those things before I can just record it and show you how to do that, because of course I need to do it myself first. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today, I think. And also another cool thing is that I will link that in the description, because today, as in today, I will at night I will record a live stream with Jason Lengstorff about how to document and how to create examples for your themes. So that will be cool. And I'm a little scared, but that's fine. Let's see how it goes. I will link also that in the description or somewhere else. Maybe if you follow me on Twitter, it will be there too. And yeah, please, thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to see something else, if there's something that is not like clear. Also, please like the video, share it, give me feedback. Please give me feedback. That's something that I really use to. It helped me really. It's really helpful for me to create better videos and better content for everyone. So yeah, that's it for me, and thank you for watching.